Is kind of a topic that I'm very passionate about. It's about implants for the periodontally compromised dentition. And the reason I chose this opening two images of a roulette and teeth on the shape of dice is, are we really gambling with teeth when we're replacing them with implants? So I'm going to start the lecture with a little bit about how dentists make mistakes. So we have three reasons. One is greed. Yeah, we all need to buy new cars and get that beach house. So we try to sometimes, not all of us, of course, the very minority push treatments that may not be indicated. Another reason for mistakes are misjudgment, and we all make those. And I will share some of my misjudgments in this lecture as well. So bad choices make good stories. And the third reason is ignorance. And ignorance is something that if you know that you know everything, that's probably an ignorant answer. Nobody knows anything, and we are on a constant path to learn and improve ourselves. So, periodontitis. In 2000, I think 12, there was this big study done in America about the prevalence of periodontitis. And the consensus was almost 47% of all US adult population had periodontal disease. The percentage of mild was about 8.5%, moderate periodontitis was about 30%, and